Hey guys, this is FixerMed. Welcome back to my video series on helpful Anki add-ons that can help streamline and increase your productivity tenfold. In today's video, I'll be discussing a new add-on called Search Stats Extended. Search Stats Extended is a cool little nifty add-on that will generate graphs with greater statistical information to help understand your progress in a Anki deck. My favorite graph in this add-on is actually the today's retention chart, which will showcase how many cards I passed through on the first attempt, how many cards I did not pass through on the first attempt, and how many cards are in the learning stage, so I can calculate a total true retention rate to see if I'm actually hitting an 85% retention rate, which is prescribed to me by FSRS. There are other cool charts in here if you guys want to pause the video and go through these charts. I'll also include the web page where you can see the output of these charts to see which ones will be useful to you and which ones won't. I personally also think the review speed trend chart is very useful because it will show me the average amount of time it took to answer each card on a given day. So if I do cards in the morning, I might answer them slower than when I might do them in the afternoon when I'm more awake, or I might do them even more slower in the night when I'm ready to go to sleep. So there are a bunch of cool cards, or a bunch of cool card graphs that you can review and see. A bunch of information supporting what each graph represents can be found on the bottom of nearly every output. And if this is something you guys are interested in, you can go ahead and download it from the download section of the webpage. You can go ahead and copy it from here, or you can copy it from the end of the web address. Either one works. Just make sure it's copied and put in your clipboard. Then go ahead and open up your Anki app. Go to Tools, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Copy the code in with a simple Control-V or Command-V. Hit OK. Should be complete, and then go ahead and restart Anki to establish the changes. I have the nice little Anki add-on, Anki Restart by Shige, so I'm just going to go ahead and restart through here. All right, wonderful. Now that the add-on is installed, I can go to stats, and as you can see, I have my default charts here. They're cool and nifty as well. Similar information are here, but as you know, I like the Search Stats Extended column charts better. It will show what the due types, how many relearning cards I have, mature, young cards, etc. My retention rate for today is at 50%. Custom Pi, I can set it to whatever value I want, whatever tags I want, the load, lapses, repetitions, etc. Review speed trend, go through on the days I did it. Some days I'm slow, some days I'm fast. Load distribution, lapse load. There are all the charts I need are here. For some of the review graphs, you're actually going to need to prepare the graphs to witness information in. So go ahead and prepare review stats. And time distribution are there, time totals are there. All the other fancy charts are here. So yeah, I really like this add-on as it gives me the detailed information in a nice pie chart or in a nice histogram manner, like so. If you guys are a statistics nerd, this might help you out a lot to measure how helpful Anki truly is for your studies. Not, it might still help you with greater information. But yeah, that's all I have for this add-on. As always, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to type them up in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get to you as soon as I can. Be sure to leave a like if you liked the video, a dislike if you disliked the video, and consider subscribing to the channel if you like content like this. I'll be sure to upload more and more Anki tutorials as time goes on, as I see a bunch of people seem to be enjoying them, so your wish is my command. Anyways, guys, this is FixerMed signing off. Be sure to have a great day as always, and good luck studying. Goodbye, everyone.